Hey guys, on this frosty morning, I'm here today. I'm going to wash my car because it's been in the garage for over the weekend. Not had the chance to wash it. I've got new tyres on. The actual alloys needed respraying with the powder coat because they did a bad job initially. So hopefully this time it holds out. But yeah, I was left without my car for about 2 days. It's now Wednesday and she needs a clean desperately. And I thought, what better opportunity than now to take this to do a Gloss Kings review. I've had Gloss Kings stuff now for about 3.5 months, I think. Before that, I used Auto Glims and your other stuff that you find from like Halfords and stuff like that. This stuff from Gloss Kings is definitely best value for money for sure. I do have a discount code as well, SGCB 10, so it should pop up on the screen. And you can use that when you go onto the website. Even if they've got offers on, you can still put it in. My car needs an absolute clean, like fully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through all the little bits that you get into, like with the starter bucket, with the Gloss Kings bucket that you buy on their website, and sort of just show you how to use the sort of stuff, or just talk you through it. So yeah, let's get on with that. Wash Mitt, which is absolutely brilliant. I love this thing. Honestly, it makes washing the car so much easier using this. Put that there. It comes with another microfiber towel, slightly different one. I use this one for the inside because it's smaller, just to clean the just to clean the windows and all that sort of stuff. So I use this one, and also it comes with this one which I use on the outside. I've been using this for about 2.5 months now, so I want to start using this one too. But yeah, so basically you get your bucket, which has got this little thing inside here, which basically prevents any dirt sort of coming back up when you swirl it around to get more sort of product onto your car. So yeah, comes with this, comes with microfiber towel, another one, an inside one, well, that's what I use for inside, one Canon, one shampoo, 2 snow foams, Wash Mitt, and your hydrophobic detailing spray. And that's the starter bucket. You can find that on the website. Again, use SGCB right here for 10% off. Bucket now, and this thing I used 1/6, so 1/6 solution, the other water. Last thing I'm going to say before I get started with the snow foam is, firstly, Gloss Kings recommends that you do the snow foam without wetting the car, preferably. And that's where you get the best result. Okay, so you put the snow foam on and you leave it for like 10-12 minutes just to cure. I tend to redo it again because I tend to find that from one bottle I can do 2.5 cars, so going by 1/6 solution. So, but yeah, this little Canon thing here is pretty nifty because you've got the amount of solution you want to use up here, adjustable tab. So basically you've got the nozzle itself goes down, into obviously where the solution is, so that basically decides how much, or you decide how much of the solution you want to use when it premixes with the water. And 2, this thing here, you can adjust sort of the tightness of the nozzle itself, and that basically dictates how much snow foam you're going to spray in terms of vertically. If is it going to be more sort of narrow and straight, or is it going to be wider? So I tend to sort of leave it somewhere in the middle like that, just so it gets a sort of nice free foot coverage all the way around as I go across. But you'll see the snow foam action in any second. The last thing I will say is my pressure washer is a 100 bar power pressure washer. It's quite an old one, but it does the trick. You don't need anything expensive like a Karcher. You really don't. This will do the trick just fine. The snow foam will take care of the dirt, the horrible particles. All you need to do then is just quickly, literally rinse it with this. You don't even have to scrub or anything, nothing like that. It'll just come straight off. But yeah, let's get cracking. So now I've got the snow foam on there for about 10 minutes. We'll leave it another 5, so about 15 minutes roughly, and then just give it a quick blitz with the pressure washer. And then that you see from using just the 100 bar pressure washer and the snow foam, right, it fetches it off. I mean, We just need to get the mitt now for this sort of stuff, but you hardly touch it and it just comes off, so it's going to be such an easy job. And the good thing about that also is, when you do use the mitt, that's the idea of it, it won't scratch your car because everything just falls straight off, so you don't have to scrub or anything. So yeah, I'm absolutely pleased with the snow foam, it's fantastic. And another thing, the shampoo and the snow foam itself, it smells great.